Slide number 75. We have learned the formation of major scales in our previous slides. So C scale you have done, G scale, and all the other scale follow the same rule. So you know how to make a C scale or G scale or a B scale or a F scale of third and fourth semitone, 7 and 8 semitone. So a scale is formed. So to repeat, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, semitone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 semitone. And when you played all of them, the scale was absolutely perfect. So that is the major scale formation. We can try with any scale. I have put up the graph for you. The same graph image should come and note should automatically fit there. So you know the C scale or the G scale or the D scale or major scales. Now how to create our minor scales? In this course we will only restrict our learning the formation of a minor scale, that is the harmonic minor. Instead of complicating more and more, very easily you can play. So the minor scale is formed or borrowed out of the major scale. So major scale is G, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So here I am going to apply some formulas. If you understand and try to do it with other scales, you will get all the minor scales very comfortably. Once the minor scale is formed, the same rule applies to form the chords for that. So let's form the minor scale. How do we form? So the sixth note from root, sixth degree is called in music, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A minor will be your chord which is born out of the C scale, or otherwise it's called C major, A minor are related to each other because A minor borrows the scale of C. On its own, you can make a scale of A minor with all formula as I have shown you in this picture of 75 slide. But very easy to understand is from C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A is your minor. Now play all the notes from A to A, just as you played the C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. It's not sounding correctly. There is something wrong. That's what your mind will tell. You will not accept that minor scale. There is something wrong, something to be done. That is the formula. We are going to raise the seventh note, seventh degree from A, ascending and descending, it will be the same note. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is my G. I won't play. I'll play the sharp. The raising means only semitone. You can only make a sharp only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 I won't play. Then the 8. So now you will feel, oh my God, this scale is matching our Indian ragas. Of course. So this is the scale of A minor. A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, A. So what I did, first from C scale, I went to sixth note or third note, all the same. You reach to the same point. A is your minor scale. Travel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't play. Raise it sharp. While ascending and descending, use the same note. So I used, landed to the eighth note. Back again, I will touch the same note. So minor scale is formed from C, and I will use the chord now. ACE. I remove the A from there. I take it here. Inversion of the A minor. So the same formula A slash C. Then again C comes this side. So A minor root, first inversion, second inversion, block, broken, block, broken, block, broken. So I did the A minor from a C scale. Now one more scale we will try. and be successful so that any scale on your own you can find out. Although printed scales are available from the net. But if you understand, you don't need the printed scales, you yourself will find out. So let's take the next scale is G, because C, as per circular fifth, the next scale was G only. So if you play G means you should know the notes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So sixth note, 1, 2, 3. E is the minor. E minor is your minor born from a G scale, means borrowed the G and created a E minor. Now seventh note, 1, 2, 3. You may ask why I am playing F sharp, because F sharp was in the G scale. I can't take a new note, already F sharp was available. So E, F sharp, D, A, B, C. Now comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seventh note is D. I won't play. Now I will raise it semitone. So the D sharp is going to be an altered sound of E minor. So now you know how to make a minor scale, which is called the harmonic minor scale, in which ascending and descending the notes are same. So after alteration, observing all the rules, what you play is same in ascending. Chords also same rule. EGB, GBE, over. This is how the minor scale, 2 minor scales I have explained you can try to do. I will give some puzzle sheets, quiz sheets, you can also go through that.